Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya uan
Tandan o Police ka East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek Syiem ula aching pensyai hai kinong Thaw khubor halor ka jingtia bala Simpsondon ya ka jingim jung I habrit kenthai in saphira lingdo maunai hasnong nongra nonglum brei USP ulaong ba ka jingtohkit kadang ya shakhmat bat ka Board District kalathawru ya ka Special Investigation Team SIT ban pej benia ya ka ni ka case ulaong ru ba ka jing penlong ya ka SIT tadai tang ban pen sngo baka sorkar bat ki bor pahara an kim samla simkhia ya kani kicing chia bas ngosi bah uba siem ula pentip ba kicing tokit menta kalayo ya kisakhi ki badon kam ban pen kut no ya ka kis ba dia ki badon kti la kadai ha kicing penlong ni ching penyat ya kicing chia an sawan rat no shen shakhmat chong ka an ha kacu kapor ula kentui ki pajba bakin ailat ikibor pahara ba
the 4-year-old girl in Nongrim, which who also went missing on the 14th. I'd like to give you a point-by-point sequence of the events and what SIT has unearthed so far. So on the 14th of September, information was received by Ranjak Police Station from the father of the girl that she had gone missing, and they had found that she had gone missing at about 8 a.m. in the morning. It was also found that from the family members and the uncle that the girl child was last seen playing in the compound at about 7:30 a.m. within the premises of a house. And when they realized that she had gone missing, all neighbors and locality members, inhabitants of the locality had been alerted, and they began searching. The police immediately rushed to the area, and intensive search was being conducted along with the VDP and dog squad. On the 14th, I think because of heavy rains and all that, though extensive search was done, the girl child could not be found. It was only on the 15th, the next day at about 8 p.m., that information was received from the father that the child's body had been discovered by a labourer of a construction site, which is about 100 meters from the residence of the girl child. And immediately DSP Crime Against Women, OC Rinja, had rushed to the place. They had cordoned off the area, and inquest was conducted with the help of the forensic team from FSL Shillong. The body was taken to Nongrim, where post-mortem examination was conducted, and the body was handed on the 15th only. After the post-mortem was conducted, the family members, in particular the father of the child, had filed a complaint. We had registered a case in Ranjak Police Station pertaining to murder. Then a special investigation team was set up, headed by SP City, Additional SP Ops, DSP Crime Against Women, DSP City, OC Rinja, and one WPSI from Nongrim. Now, after SIT examined, this has been the third day from the time we had found or recovered the body. Looking at and investigating in these 3 days and examining many witnesses and looking at all the available evidence which we have actually gathered, we zeroed down on a 13-year-old boy who is a neighbor of the child girl, and who's also a frequent visitor of the house. He was produced before the Child Welfare Committee and examined thoroughly. where he had admitted that on that particular day he had taken that girl child over the wall and taken her through the beaten path, which most of you all have seen, and gone to that construction site. According to him, since his feet was drenched with mud, he washed his feet in that there's a cavity or a hollow between the wall and the building and the retaining wall, and that day the water was full. According to him, he had slipped and the girl was close to him. He had pulled the girl along, dragged her while slipping, for which he has injury marks on his feet, and the girl drowned. Out of panic and out of confusion, he placed the stone on the body of the girl child and went home straight. After some time, he came along with his mother to the girl's house, and he found all the relatives of and the parents of the girl child looking for her. While SIT examined him yesterday, it is a fact, and according to him, that he had actually just concocted the black Scorpio without number plate and black men and the masked men, as he had panicked and wanted a distraction. The post-mortem report was received today. The post-mortem report says death due to drowning. There is no anti-mortem injuries. There is no sexual assault, and the death was 24 to 36 hours from the time post-mortem was done. So that indicates that the death happened in that place, not in any other place. And he was sent to the juvenile home yesterday for observation. Today, thorough medical examination and several medical tests has been done on this boy. He has been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board, and SIT is in the third day of the investigation. We are yet to investigate further on the claims of this child, of whether it was accidental or otherwise. So this is all what I can say till this juncture.
So did the juvenile ever confess to his mother? Did the mother ever know about